This video will demonstrate what's new when setting limits and force on a DC gate operator manufactured starting in 2022. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. Gate operators manufactured starting in 2022 will have a Step Saver setup label. Start by entering manual setup mode. Press the Set Open and Set Close buttons at the same time. The LEDs will turn on and you'll hear an audible alert. Do this if you only need to adjust one limit or if you want to change other settings without changing the limits. If you are setting up the operator for the first time, press and hold both the Set Open and Set Close buttons until the LEDs begin to flash and you hear an audible alarm. This will clear any previously programmed limits. The entrapment protection devices are disconnected temporarily. While in manual setup mode, set the reversal force by adjusting the dial. The force setting should be high enough that the gate will not reverse by itself nor cause nuisance interruptions, but low enough to prevent serious injury to a person. The force setting is the same for both the open and close gate directions. If you have an HD operator, set the speed dial. Refer to the installation manual for details. Follow these steps to program the limits. Use the Move Gate buttons to jog the gate to the open position. Press Set Open. Use the Move Gate buttons to jog the gate to the closed position. Press Set Close. Setting limits is done. The operator will begin automatic force setup. The entrapment protection devices will reconnect. You will hear an audible alarm warning that the gate will move on its own. The gate will open and close while sounding an audible alarm. Here's an important change. If you are not in manual setup mode and you turn the reversal force dial, you will see diagnostic code 3A. The reversal force has not actually been changed. If you did not intend to change the reversal force, turn the dial back to the original setting. The diagnostic display will change back to 00. If you did intend to change the reversal force, you need to save the new setting. Enter manual setup mode by pressing Set Open and Set Close. Then press Set Open and Set Close to exit and save the new force setting. For more information, visit partner.liftmaster.com. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster.